but I've always thought it would be really nice to be able to have my own scales and my own ability to weigh the campers and trailers, and even stuff like this trailer, this utility trailer. I think it would be nice to weigh it as well, you know. And so what I've decided to do is I bought 2 industrial type scales. They're just heavier duty type scales for the shipping industry and whatnot. I first bought 2 scales that were rated at 440 pounds each, which would allow me to weigh up to 880 pounds. And then they came and I was thinking about it, kept thinking about it for a couple more weeks, and then decided to go bigger and get 2 scales that are rated at 660 pounds. And they just came today. And so now I'm gonna lift up the camper and slowly let it down evenly on the 2 scales so I can actually know what the camper weighs. So wish me luck. We'll see how this goes. Here's the camper, and for reference, these are the 2 scales that I'm using. 660 pound rated, Amazon Basics. I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, so you should be able to see one of the scales down here. And I have the same one on the opposite side, and I've placed them on a sheet of plywood, and I've put them where I think the center of gravity is for the camper between front and back. I'm gonna have to balance the camper evenly on the 2 scales, and I've reset them so they're at 0, and I'll just lower the camper down and see what it shows. And I might have to adjust where the scales are placed to make sure I get it right in the center of gravity. That should probably help. You know, there's a little snow there. Interesting. Okay, so now that I took off that sheet of ice, we're now reading 314.5 pounds on this side. So just a few pounds under 600 pounds. And then let me show you the inside. What gear we have on the inside. Okay, so that is with the air conditioner, the inverter, the battery, the solar charge controller back there, the fan, the light strips. The bed is empty. Oh, except there is those boards up there for creating the beds down here and the table. The storage up on the left above the bed is empty. Storage on the right above the bed is empty. Then we've got the toaster oven and the microwave, and then nothing in the shelves below. I would assume that weighs about 100 pounds. I'm just guessing here. I think the battery is about 20 to 25 pounds. The air conditioner is probably like 50 to 60 pounds. The inverter is another 10 pounds. The microwave is another 20, 25. The toaster oven is another 10. So actually probably over 100 pounds just in gear. Oh, we settled at 309 on this side. And this side is 275. So that's 310 and 275, 585 pounds. Minus 135 pounds would make this camper, just the frame, right around 450 pounds. And that's about what I was guessing it weighed. Adding gear inside does make quite a difference. Also, the floor storage is empty as well. So, and that's it. Yeah, so it looks like the frame of the camper itself weighs in the neighborhood of 450 pounds. And of course, when you add gear inside, that will go up dramatically. That is really good information to know how much the camper actually weighs. I spent over $100 on these scales just for this video. just so I could find out how much the camper weighs. And that's okay, because I'll be planning to use these scales for many future projects. So it's more of a long-term investment than just a one and done deal. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.